Oshi Knows Keto, and here is where I document my keto weight loss and give you guys my tips, tricks, and secrets to my keto success thus far. So anyway, I decided to show you guys what I eat in a day. So a lot of people are curious to see what I eat in a day because I truly have no problem getting in my fats, and that seems to be a big problem when people are on keto. So in today's video, I'm just gonna take you along with me. I chose to do today because I feel like it'll be more realistic to most people. Being that I'm a stay-at-home mom, usually I'll just cook all my meals at home, but which I still plan on doing today, but I just want to show you an act of the day, right? Because if I'm home, I could just run in the kitchen, cook whatever I want. So I do want to give you a disclaimer. This is not what I've been doing this whole year. If you guys want to see what I've been like, what I normally do, like, which was like my whole journey, I can do that in another video. But today I am going to be doing a perfect keto supplement. I've been using them about maybe a week or so, and the only reason why I'm using it is because I heard a lot of good things about it, and being that I'm coaching clients now, I wanted to give them my opinion on those products and see if it's beneficial and stuff like that. So for breakfast, I would normally have 3 eggs, 3 bacons, and 2 tablespoons of mayo, and that's how I get all my fat in, right? I love mayo. But today, instead of doing that, I may do that for dinner. I'm not sure yet. You should plan your day before, but I really don't have a problem hitting my calories. But since I'm heading out, like, I'm supposed to be at my appointment at 2:30 and it's 2:22, so right now I'm just gonna make a quick shake. And I make this shake a bunch of ways. Today I'm gonna use coffee. Sometimes I use water, sometimes I use unsweetened milk, and also sometimes I would blend 2 ounces of spinach with the milk or the water. Yeah, there's like a bunch of ways I normally do it, but I'm gonna show you what I'm doing today. So I'm doing a 1/2 scoop of everything, or approximately 1/2 scoop. Honestly, the only reason why I'm not using full scoops, because all of this costs, it should have been like $120, but I got it on sale for $70. So this is definitely not something I'm gonna keep up with. I'm telling you that right now. It's very expensive. I'm just gonna chug this real quick, and I'm gonna order Uber. We out of here. We gotta go. Do you want to say hi to my keto friends? Come.
Hi. Welcome to my channel.
No, this is my channel.
My channel.
Get out of here. I meant to tell you guys, this is actually my first meal of the day. As I mentioned, it's around 2:22 right now, and this is my first meal. Usually I try to drink 4 cups of water like throughout my morning, in this one jug. So, and then sometimes if I'm feeling cute, I'll put lemon in it. Don't get too crazy with the lemon. Lemon do contain carbs, and this tastes so good. It's like chocolate coffee. The thing is, I usually drink my coffee black, so by putting the chocolate in it, which is sweet, it tastes so sweet. Anyway, so I'm thinking about making, ew, the hell was that? Something's in my mouth. Yeah. I'm thinking about making keto mozzarella sticks tonight.
Where's it out?
Oh, I threw it in the garbage. So I may make keto mozzarella sticks. I will flash text on the screen right now, just to give you a warning if I did or I didn't. Anyway, gotta go. Bye. Oh, ooh, oh snap! That's my girl. That's my baby. You so cute. I love you. Let go. Come on. Gotta run. So today is like, wait, this shit is dirty as hell. Alright, so today is like kind of super unpredictable, which I guess is good for you to see how like I operate on a day that's totally unexpected. So I left my doctor's appointment already, and my doctor office is by my mom's house. So we are making a stop there, and we'll probably be there for a few hours. So it's now, what time is it? Hold on. So it's now 5 o'clock and I'm starting to feel a little hungry, and I haven't even drank water. All I did up until now was had my keto coffee shake, I guess that's what you can call it. And I had some gum. So what I did is at the corner store, so I bought some turkey meat, and I know my mom has mayo, and I'm just gonna eat that until I get home tonight. So these are the things like you have to try to figure out. So she doesn't have any like McDonald's or anything that is close by her house, so you know, you gotta roll with the punches, do what you can. So I'll do that and I'll keep you guys updated.
Hi guys.
So it's 7:30 and I bought a half a pound of turkey, and I only had a few slices. I guess after I drank some water, I was like full, and I had like, it was about 2 tablespoons of mayo and maybe like 4 or 5 slices. So that's why I only had a few of these and 2 tablespoons of mayo about. Yeah, and it's 7:30. I do plan on eating an actual meal tonight. This is so funny because I knew it was going to be different, but today I'm completely eating off schedule. But I do think it'll be interesting for you guys to see how I eat on a whim. So I'm back. It's like literally 12:15 a.m. I'm whispering because I don't want to wake my family up. They're sleeping. Of course I'm up. The interesting part of today is it was kind of unplanned. I thought like after my doctor's appointment I was going to come home and eat like raw food, but as you've seen throughout my whole day, like I really didn't eat anything. The only thing I did eat was like a few slices of turkey meat. So by the way, this is a very unusual day, and I'm usually hungry like around like 5 o'clock naturally. I'm hungry now, and I try to intermittent fast for the most part, but I also do listen to my body. And knowing that I didn't eat much today, I'm gonna eat now. So 12:15 a.m. I'm gonna make some eggs and bacon and munch on that for a little bit. I probably will stay up for a little bit, and that's probably why I want to eat. Because if I was going to bed now, I just would have went to bed. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys my food after I'm done cooking it. Also, I do want to mention before I forget, being that it's so late, I want to get a lot of calories in. Well, not a lot, but like a sufficient amount. And I want to be able to eat now and feel satiated until tomorrow afternoon. Oh my god, I just put my food on the most embarrassing plate of all time. I honestly forgot I was supposed to show this to you guys, but this is how I do sometimes. This is like a salad bowl top from Just Salads. Anyway, we're not judging here. So I got 3 eggs and 2 tablespoons of mayo and 3 slices of bacon. I chose to opt out of the avocado. I don't want to get too full, being that I like went to town on the mayo, and I had mayo earlier today, if you guys don't remember. And if I feel like I still want a late night snack, I can have a pack of David sunflower seeds. And when I say a pack, it's like the 30-cent pack. Anyway, so that was like my unexpected